children, I am going to show you how to use this wonderful website to create your pre-writing graphic organizer for your argumentative essays. So to start, you're going to either go to bubbl.us, or you can go and click on the link in Google Classroom under pre-writing graphic organizer assignment, and this should pop up. This webpage should pop up. You are then going to, because this is your first time creating a graphic organizer here, click on register. Now, we're going to do the free one, so we're not paying money or anything, so no worries there. So you're going to click on sign up under the free one, and they have this cool little button here where you can just sign up using your Google account. So you'll click the Google account button and it'll sign you up. Now, I already have my account, so I'm just going to go and sign in. And now I'm going to show you how to go around and maneuver the tools to then create your very own pre-writing graphic organizer. So real quick, I want to show you my example. So this is what your pre-writing graphic organizer is going to look like when you finish. So you have your thesis statement at the top, and then right underneath you have your 3 supporting pieces of evidence. So these are your 3 reasons why you think they should or should not, based on whatever your topic is. So your 3 reasons why, and then for each supporting piece of evidence, you need your 3 either examples, facts, statistics, different things that you found as you were researching. So if you'll notice, for some of my examples, I used some of my interviews, I used some of my survey results, I also used statistics, so I used a whole bunch of different things to put in as my supporting examples to support my 3 pieces of evidence. So when you come in, you are going to then create your very own clean mind map. So let's go to new mind map, and this is what it will look like when you first get in. So where you'll start, this is where you will actually type in your thesis statement. So you'll label it thesis statement and then put whatever you think the thesis statement is. I think the death penalty should be legal, for example, or I do not think that the death penalty should be legal. So yes, you will have to make a decision at this point as to whether or not you think they should or you think they shouldn't, using the research that you found and gathered. So once you create your thesis statement and type it in here, to add another box below, you're going to click on this Add Child button, and it will create another box for you. And so this will be your first supporting, can't spell today, supporting evidence 1, and then you'll put that, and then when you're done, you'll click on the thesis statement, bubble, and then click on Add Child, and it will add another one, and you'll just keep adding so that you have all 3 of your 3 supporting pieces of evidence bubbles. And then to add for each supporting evidence, you will add a bubble underneath that. And then you'll just keep adding underneath each one so that it looks nice and clean and symmetrical, just like Miss Walker likes it. So make sure when you are creating this that you, first of all, have an idea about what your thesis statement is going to be and type that up. Make sure you are labeling each bubble. So thesis statement, supporting evidence 1, supporting evidence 2, supporting evidence 3. And then for each example or fact, make sure you label what it is. Is it a statistic? Is it an example from one of your surveys or interviews that you conducted? So make sure you label those as well, and then put the information after you label. So let's say that you're done. You completed your whole pre-writing graphic organizer. You are ready to save and turn it in. So where you're going to go is click up here, right on this little arrow, and click Save As. And you're going to save it as a JPEG image. And when it opens up, it'll save it for you, and you will then click back back into Google Classroom, and you will open up the pre-writing graphic organizer assignment. You will attach the graphic organizer you created and turn it in that way. If you need help with that part, you can either turn to one of your neighbors or ask me. I will be walking around. But other than that, this is how you will use this website to create your online graphic organizer. So have fun. If you have questions, absolutely you can ask